Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm now into the grouting. I just laid that around the top this morning, so about another hour with because it's pretty bloody hot at the moment, I'll be able to take out the wedges and finish it off. Here this tile is slightly larger by about 1 mil, but as you grow, slightly smaller, I should say. The white is slightly bigger by 1 mil, but there's nothing you can do about it. That's just the way it is. You push it in, wipe it off, people. This is a nice shiny tile. It's got sort of a wavy pattern in it. Wavy texture. Push it in. All right, I'll come back to you when I start wiping it off. Push that subscribe button, people. Subscribe to my channel and you will learn heaps. There's heaps to learn. If you want to learn how to tile, well, this is the channel to watch. We'll see you soon. Ciao.